Good morning, Year 5. Today's active challenge, I'd like you to imagine you're at the fun fair and you're going to be creating a stall for either yourself or maybe a family member to see if they can challenge themselves to complete it. So what you're going to need today is you're going to need to scrunch up some paper balls. I've done 3 of them for my 3 shots. You might want to make some signs. I've done this one that says 5 points. I've got 5 points here, I've got 10 points over there, and most importantly, you're going to need some cups, which are going to be where you're going to be aiming your paper balls into. Now, really important with all of these things is that you've asked permission, so ask your mum and dad if they don't mind you doing it. You might want to do it out in the garden, or you might want to do it inside, it completely depends on where you've got room to do it. And I'd like you to see if you can create some targets. So on this chair I've done 3 cups and they're all worth 5 points. On the chair over there, I've done 1 cup and it's worth 10 points. And once I've set up my stall and I'm happy with it, then I'm going to pick a spot where the person who's throwing has to stand or sit. So I'm going to base myself here so you can see it. And I'm going to aim at these and I work out how many points I've got. And then you can collect them all in and maybe challenge yourself or someone else to do it again to see who can win or if you can beat your own personal best score. So I'm going to have a go at these. Probably won't do terribly well, but let's give it a go. So aim for the 10 point. Oh, close. 5 and none of them went in. What I'd like you to do is your challenge is can you try and get your stall set up using cups. Signs so people know what they're aiming for and how much the points are worth, and also screw up some paper balls. Remember to ask permission and see how challenging you can make yours. Remember, it might take a few times before you're confident with it. If you find it's too simple, make it a bit more harder. If you've made it too difficult, maybe rein it in a bit and make it a bit more simple. And again, take photos of what you've been up to. Really love seeing those. Send to the Year 5 email address. And yeah, let's see what you can get up to Year 5. Well done.